Hello guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Jamb 2020 exam, that's next year, and how to pass your Jamb exam. Alright, if this is your first time on this channel, DTW Tutorials is an educational channel that supports students preparing for WATS, your NECO, your GC, Junior, WAEC, name it, with free maths and physics videos. Okay, absolutely free to support you in your education. So if it's your first time, please try to click the subscribe button, okay, to encourage me to do more. And it's absolutely also free to subscribe on YouTube, so click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you'll be instantly notified whenever I upload an educational video for you. Right, so let's go on to the video right now. So I have 3 tips for you to help you pass your Jamb exam. All right, that's the Jamb 2020 exam. Now the first tip is you need to start preparing early. All right, don't wait till December. No, start preparing early right now. You finish your WAEC, maybe you didn't do Jamb and WAEC together. You finish your WAEC exams and you are planning to take your Jamb next year. Please start preparing now. All right, start early, please. It's needed. Don't wait till what? December. And here we have videos that can help you to start preparing now. Now you can see here we've solved, this is a Jamb 2018 mathematics past question, okay, and we solved the complete 40 questions. You can see this is a 2 hours video. This is also Jamb 2018 physics past question solved. This is 1 hour 18 minutes video for you. All right, so start preparing now, watching this video. And we also have that of Jamb 2017 physics solved and also Jamb 2017 maths solved. So all these things would help you in kickstarting your preparation. All right, the next thing you need to do, my second tip for you, is you need a study guide. And what is a study guide? Your study guide is just your syllabus, because you need to know which topics to read under a subject. Like your maths, you need to know the topics in maths to read. You know, Jamb syllabus is different from WAEC syllabus because Jamb has added some further maths in it. So it's different from WAEC. So, and you can get that syllabus from our DTW blog. Okay, all you need to do is go to dtwtutorials.com. All right, you can come here, click your downloads and syllabus, but on your phone you're going to see this icon here. This bar is your menu icon. Click on it and go to downloads. All right, and click on syllabus. All right, when you click on syllabus, it's going to give you, you just come down and it will show you your WAEC and Jamb syllabus here. So you just click on your Jamb syllabus and download it directly to your phone so that it helps you in your guide. And you can share this page to your friends, family, loved ones, your Facebook group. Make sure you try to share the page to help someone else. All right, so you can see here you can download your maths, your English, your physics, all the way down to your accounts, geography, economics, everything you need for your Jamb subjects. Okay, so download and use it to read. And the final thing you need to do, my final third tip for you on how to pass your Jamb 2020 exam, is to practice your past questions. In fact, give yourself a target that each of your topics, okay, that's after you finish reading, you've covered your syllabus, each topics, all right, you would 10 years back, you would solve them. All right, the first 2 or 3 times you might not get it right, but when you continuously practice, before you know it, your scores will increase, your confidence will be boosted. All right, and you will be so fast. All right, so that's why practice is very key. So practice and practice and practice. All right, and definitely you have several videos that would help you in your practicing. All right, all you need to do is just watch them. Okay, look at the way I solved it and look at the way you can also solve and become faster. Okay, all you need in Jamb exam is speed and accuracy. All right, and for your practice, we also have what we call like a CBT online test. All right, it's computer based. Just click on online test here, go to Jamb CBT. You can click, we just have maths and physics for now. Let's say you click on the maths and you get here, there's 2017 past question, 2014, 2015. So this is your CBT base. Okay, you can just click on one. Let's say it's 2017, you click on, and it's just like using your computers, even your phones. You can do it on your phone to solve, to just practice your past questions. Okay, so you have your past questions here. And please feel free to also share this blog, share the online test, share the syllabus on your Facebook group and also your Instagram, every of your social platforms. Share to support someone else, okay? To support someone else. And don't forget also to share our YouTube channel, share these videos also to your friends, family, loved ones on your groups, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to support us to do more. And what other thing else should I also add? I think these 3 tips for now is okay for you, all right? But just make sure you subscribe, because during the course of the year I'll be uploading more past questions. That's Jamb 2019 past questions solved for your maths and physics. I'm also going to solve them just like I did for this and upload them on the channel. So you already have 2 past questions for each. You have 2018, 2017 for maths, 2018, 2017 for physics. So you have no excuse. You don't need to depend on exam malpractice. That's why, everyone is shouting, stop exam malpractice, stop exam malpractice. But what solutions have you placed for students? And this is what I've placed for you here. So you have no excuse. I'm telling you, people, several testimonies of people that have just watched this video and passed their exams. So please, you have two. It's just like you have 2 of each year. So it is so much resource for you to just watch and pass your exams. So please forget about going to cheat sites that will give you exposed. Just forget, remove your mind from there. The amount of energy you spend finding all those sites, you spend it on YouTube and watch educational videos. Spend it and read your books. So stop. Say no to exam malpractice, my brother and sister. You can do it on your own. People that do and score the highest score of Jamb this year is the same one head, no 2 heads. All right, and what they just did is they started early, preparing early, and they used their study guide and they practice. All right, these are the secrets that people will tell you, which I have told you now. So you need to start early. Get your study guide, your syllabus, and continuously practice and watch these videos. And definitely, I'm telling you, you must score above 200. In fact, I'm waiting for a testimony of a student that would use this video, and I know it will happen very soon, and be the highest Jamb student. And I know that that student will testify that he used the video from DTW tutorials. By God's grace, I'm waiting for that testimony. All right, so please say no to exam malpractice and start preparing for the Jamb 2020 exam. All right, so you are destined to win from DTW tutorials. Definitely during the course of the year, there will be other videos I'm also going to upload to motivate you, and also videos that would help you in your education, your maths, your physics. Expect that your Jamb 2019 physics and also Jamb 2019 maths past questions solved and explained. Expect it. By God's grace, with God giving me power and grace and long life, I will do that for you. All right, so thank you for staying tuned to DTW tutorials, and please don't forget, Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ. All right, He is the way, is the truth, and the life. He's the one who leads us to life everlasting, which is heaven at last. All right, He's waiting for you. Give your life to Christ. All right, you are blessed, my brothers and sisters, and you are definitely destined to win. Bye for now, and see you soon in our next video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so you get instantly notified, and the notification bell so you get instantly notified whenever I upload an educational video for you. All right, thank you. You are destined to win. Bye.